Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I found this grater. It's a vintage style one from a thrift store for $4, I think it was. And I found this grateful cutout at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to paint this with Harvest Orange. We're going to turn this into the cutest little fall hanger. So I'm just going really slow to make sure that I don't make a mess with the paint. And I'm just going to paint the whole thing with this Harvest Orange color. Once this is dry, I am going to set that aside. And I'm going to start working on the grater. So I grabbed this floral pick from Walmart, and it was $1.24. And I'm going to cut down the end of it. I just used a pair of snips to do that. And these ones work better, so they're tin snips. And because this was really thick at the end. I'm going to take this wire, and I'm going to wire this onto the grater. So I'm going to kind of figure out where I want it, and I'm going to wrap my wire around it and then push it through the little holes in the grater, and then just pull it tight. And then once I have it pulled tight, as you can see, I realized that I needed to cut that down a little bit more because I don't want it hanging over the edge. So now I can start that process again. And then push that in, and then just pull it as tight as I can, and then just start twisting on the back. I just twisted it a bunch of times till it felt like that it was tight enough. And then I'm just going to snip off the excess. Now everything I'm putting on here is going to be able to come back off. So I'm going to take this bow that I made. It's just some fall ribbon colors. And then I just made a super simple bow. Tied off the center with some twine. And I'm going to take that twine and I'm just going to tie it right around the edge of the grater. And kind of get my placement of everything. Make sure I have it all where I want. Make sure that this is nice and tight because I don't want it to fall off or flop around. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess twine. And everything is kind of sitting where I want it. Arrange my bow. Make sure that it looks exactly how I want. And then I am going to take that grateful and I'm going to hot glue that right to the bottom here. And the hot glue, if you heat it up, it will pop this right back off, and then you can just pull all the florals off, and then you could turn it into something for Christmas. So this just doesn't have to be used for fall, but I thought the grateful and the grater was kind of cute for fall. And I love this pick. And now, right now, I'm just using my heat gun to get rid of any of the excess glue that's popping off or any of my glue strings. And that is it. How stinking cute is this? I think it's absolutely adorable. I love it. I love taking thrift store things and turning them into something new. And I like this because you can use it for any season because everything comes right back off. I hope this inspires you to make one. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.